guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. It's a new month, which means a new Boxycharm box has arrived at my doorstep. I'm so excited as always to share this month's box with you guys. Last month was really good. We had the base box and then we had a premium box, which was actually a Boxycharm and Tarte Cosmetics collaboration, which I thought was awesome. I got some really good products out of that box too. But in any case, I'm excited to see what is in this month's box. We're approaching the holidays here, so getting these boxes and seeing products that are inside is a great opportunity to find new products you love and, you know, even just discover products that your friends and family would love that would be great gifting situations or gifting opportunities. And, you know, it's just good to discover some new products and think of a person and be like, wow, so-and-so would really like this. I'm going to buy this for them for the holidays. Also, if I can recall, I think that around the holidays last year, the boxes were like really good, like had a really good price point and just really good products inside. So I'm wondering if that'll hold true this month and next month as well. And as always, thank you so much to Boxycharm for sending me these boxes each month. I'm just so grateful to be able to receive them and share them with you guys and try out all these new products all the time. So without further ado, let's open this up and see what is inside. Is the base box. The theme for this month is It's Giving Giftable Glam. So here we have everything inside here. Let's get rid of this and this styrofoam here. Okay, so we got some interesting products inside here. Let's see what we got. I will start with the palette that was on top, and it is from Ofra Cosmetics. I absolutely love, love, love Ofra. This is their Midi palette Face It. So what is this? It says, bring the vacay to you with our curated complexion trios to sculpt, warm, and highlight. Here's the palette here. Okay, so just a simple like bronzer, contour, highlight palette here. I believe that I have another like big Ofra palette that I received from Boxycharm before that I really loved. Let's swatch it. We'll just swatch the highlighter here. There is my finger. Oh, very nice, very nice. You can see it there. It's so hard with the lighting here, especially because it's getting darker out earlier now. So I'm like racing the clock here. In any case, it says here, Ofra Cosmetics Face It Midi Palette. Bring the vacay to you with this curated complexion trio to sculpt, warm, and highlight. This palette features buildable matte contours and soft shimmer bronzers perfectly coordinated for light, medium, and deep skin tones. It's worth $35. So that's pretty on par with Ofra products, but in any case, I love a good Ofra palette, so I'm excited about this. Oh, okay, so I'm really excited about this. It is from the brand Soleil. I feel like I've seen that brand around before, but it is their mini heat brush. I wasn't expecting to get something like this in here. It says ceramic tourmaline bristles glide through hair, infrared technology locks in moisture for frizz-free hair, heat resistant bristle guard. So it comes in a little package here. Here is here. I don't have anything like this, so I'm really excited to try this out. This is exciting. I wasn't expecting something like this. So it says here, Soleil Hair Tools Mini Heat Brush. This tool is perfect for on-the-go styling and touch-ups. It's as powerful and easy to use as a full-size tool, but compact enough to carry with you everywhere you go. The rapid heat time and heat-resistant bristles allow this cute, handy brush to glide through your hair quickly and easily. Safe for all hair types, welcome your new favorite hair tool. It's worth $150, which I mean makes sense for a hair tool. Hair tools tend to be quite expensive, but like $150 in the base box. I definitely was not expecting that. This is really good timing too because I need to pack my hospital bag. So like having something this tiny could come in handy. I don't know if I will have the time in the hospital to even do my hair, probably not. But knowing I have the option is quite nice. Next we have a brand that I discovered in Boxycharm before. They it was like a lip, I think it was like a lip balm, but it was tinted. I don't remember exactly, but I loved it. I also have like a highlight blush from them. Love that as well. The brand is Sophia and Maybell, and this is their Lip Slick Fruit Lip Oil. But in any case, I hadn't heard of this brand until getting these boxes, and I fell in love with them. I'm assuming the shade is Yuzu, or flavor is Yuzu. It says Yuzu on the back here. Let's see. Here it is here. Let's try it. I don't have anything on my lips, so might as well. It smells like Fruity Pebbles. That's actually really nice. I like that. I like it. It's a little sticky, but not like overbearingly sticky. So it says here, Sophia and Maybell Lip Slick Fruit Lip Oil. So you think you're slick. This lip oil gives you soft, glossy lips with no tackiness. It's lightly colored and applies to the lips like a slick, transparent oil with a fruity twist. Use it for a nourished look or in place of lipstick on days that call for a chill look. And this is worth $22. I can definitely see me using this a lot in the summer just because it's like a nice like fruity smell, and I don't really use makeup a lot in the summer, so like just having a nice gloss will be awesome. And next we have a fun looking product here. It is from the brand Aminah, A-M-I-N-N-A-H. It is the Macaroon Lip Scrub. So here it is here. It kind of reminds me of those containers where it's like the unicorn something or other, I think. Is that this brand? I don't know, but it's very fun looking. Oh, it smells like a macaroon. It smells good. There is there. Oh, it's like foamy. This is interesting. I'm excited to try this. I'll have to read more about the ingredients and stuff to see if I can use it while pregnant. I mean, probably. It says the ingredients are shea butter, mango butter, coconut oil, sugar, flavor oil, mica, sugar sprinkles. I'm gonna have to do some more research, but I feel like I'll be able to use this. This is awesome. And it says here, the Aminah Macaroon Lip Scrub. Looking to have juicy and smooth lips? This lip scrub is just for you. Made with organic and all-natural, lip-safe ingredients, the scrub smells just like a freshly baked macaroon delight. And guess what? You can lick it off because it's made of real sugar. And it's $18. Oh, that is so awesome. I love that. I love different products like this. Like, this is so creative and it's just so aesthetically pleasing, and I'm excited to try this. And we've got our last product. It is from the brand Belle en Argent, Belleneargent, and it is the clear brow gel. It says reframing clear brow gel, or clear brow gel reframing. In any case, it is a clear brow gel. I haven't heard of this brand before, so I'm curious. As always, if you've tried this brand, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Here it is here. That's actually good timing because the clear brow gel that I'm using now is almost out. This tiny little spoolie. I like the tiny spoolie on these too, because the one I have now has kind of like a bigger spoolie, and it's hard to control, if that makes sense. But it says here, the Belle en Argent Reframing Brow Gel. Let's reframe things. Shape brows with this jojoba infused brow gel that's long lasting and flexible with a clean formula that feels comfortable throughout the day. Realize all your full feathery brow dreams with our fine brush that doesn't miss any spots. Made with jojoba oil to condition and promote the growth of your brows. It's worth $19. Okay, I'm here for it. That is everything that was in this month's box. I haven't even added it up yet, but I know it's gonna be a good amount and I'm really excited. So let me add it up real quick and I'll let you know what the total value comes out to. Okay, so the total value of this box was $244. So if you were to buy these things a la carte, you'd be spending $244, and if you subscribe, you are spending literally the tiniest fraction of that amount. But in any case, I'm really excited to try all these things out. I guess maybe the holiday boxes, or the boxes that we'll get around the holidays, will have a higher price point just like they did last year. I'm curious to see what December's is like as well. But I'm so excited about this mini heat brush. Like, that is awesome. If you received a Boxycharm box this month and you had some different products inside, leave a comment, let me know what you got, because I'd love to see what other people got in their boxes as well. And if you are unfamiliar with Boxycharm, you can find out more details on my blog, and I will leave a link to that in the description down below, as well as a link to the Boxycharm website. But it is a monthly subscription box. There are 3 tiers. There's the base box, which is monthly, the premium box, which is also monthly, monthly. And then the Luxe box, which is quarterly. We just received that in September, so the next one I believe is January. So they're really exciting and fun to, you know, unbox, and you discover so many new beauty products inside. The amount of things, brands and products that I have discovered through these boxes is incredible. This whole thing behind me is filled with makeup, and then my bathroom is full of skincare, and I probably wouldn't have half these products if it were not for Boxycharm, because I discovered things through them, love them, and end up buying more. In any case, if you want to learn more, check out my description down below, and I'll leave all kinds of links in there. And if you don't already do so, make sure you subscribe to my channel by clicking the button down below. Click the bell next to it to be notified whenever I post, and make sure you follow me on social media. All the links to my social media accounts are in the description down below as well. I post lots of unboxings and just product reviews and things that I'm loving on there too. And with all that, I'll see you guys next time.